Hi, my name is Jennifer Leinbach, and I work for the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development. As an executive director in the Office of Technology and Innovation, I oversee many of our state's technology-based economic development programs. In May of 2017, Governor Tom Wolf announced the launch of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Innovation Program. This Manufacturing Innovation Program embeds the Commonwealth's best and brightest graduate and undergraduate students with local manufacturers. Once paired, the students embark on specific scientific research projects that helped in the commercialization of a new technology or a process improvement.
After joining and participating in the fellowship program, I was able to get my hands on the new technology with 3D sand printing. This technology is a game changer in the foundry business because it enables companies to get parts out faster and cheaper.
General Carbide is a producer of high-quality tooling and wear parts. As a chief metallurgist, I'm responsible for the quality of the materials that we produce. I'm also highly involved with several research projects, like the one that we are running now with Dr. Schmillis and his research group in the University of Pittsburgh as part of the PA Manufacturing Innovation Program. In this project, we are exploring different 3D printing techniques to produce parts using our materials. Since our materials are highly engineered composites, it can get really challenging to change the production method that we've been using over the years. We are very lucky to have a good group of students that are engaged in this project and understand what it is that we do to help us in this challenge. I'm very grateful for this program. It allowed us to explore different production techniques than what we would do otherwise. The other side of this is that we were able to expose students to the existing technology and really advanced production technology that we have right here in Western Pennsylvania. We also learned through this project that it had a positive effect on our workforce. People that were involved in this project, they were very engaged, and it was really a motivating experience for them.
Our success would not be possible without the collaboration of our partners, which include our colleges and universities, industries, our industrial resource centers, DCED, and the strong leadership of our governor and legislature.
I would highly recommend students to join the fellowship program because it enables you to gain hands-on skills that you don't get in your normal college curriculum, as well as you're able to network with companies throughout Pennsylvania.
I think that this is a very important program. It is connecting new minds with the established industry.